Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll be working on a Land Rover Discovery 2 right here at the shop guys. We have a lot of videos on that thing. We'll be doing engine replacement. So quick detail. Now we're going to make a video how to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor, which is this one right here. If you have a code that relates to mass airflow sensor, we're talking about this thing right here. Always guys, replace them with original, okay, Bosch sensor. We in the past we've tried those Chinese versions sometimes. Some will work, some will not, and you'll get a terrible gas mileage. So if you get lucky, it might work. But 3 out of 5 didn't work for us, so we just stick with the original now. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver. We're going to remove that clamp right here. Okay, you can see. Then we have 2 clips, but you have to be super careful about this one here. This is the coolant tube that goes to the radiator, and this is breakable, so you have to be careful there. Okay, now we are going to open the air filter box. I think there is only a couple taps. Okay, next we're going to remove that hose that we just took off so we can open the air filter box. We'll show you why. And this one is stuck pretty good. It hasn't been out of there in a long time. So we'll help it a little bit with the screwdriver. Just be careful not to break it if you pry on it or something like that. Okay, now we're going to pull this one up. Okay, like that. And now we can actually release the sensor with the clips. Okay. And there is a rubber seal, so it gets stuck pretty good. So all we need to do, just wiggle it and it will come out. If you break that little tube guys, you need new radiator. So be careful around that. That's why we had to remove the lid. We're going to squeeze those towards each other. Okay, and pull it. Okay, like that guys. And this is the mass airflow sensor right here. This is a 99 model, specific model, okay, and this is the part number for that vehicle. Yours might differ, so always check it before you order one. So that will be whole procedure guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, help us grow that channel together. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.